Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer seat belt warning light issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. The seat belt warning light in the Ford Explorer is designed to alert occupants when the system detects that a seat belt is not fastened or when a related system condition needs attention. Verified owner reports and service information show that seat belt warning light concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying by restraint system design, sensor configuration, and vehicle condition. One verified and commonly reported cause involves the seat belt buckle switch. The buckle contains a sensor that detects whether the belt is latched. If this switch wears out, becomes contaminated, or fails electrically, the warning light may stay on even when the belt is properly fastened. Another confirmed cause relates to seat occupancy sensors. In some Explorer models, sensors within the seat detect passenger presence. Faults or calibration issues with these sensors may trigger the warning light when the seat is empty or when an object is placed on the seat. Wiring and connector issues are also documented factors. Loose connections, damaged wiring under the seats, or connector movement from seat adjustment can interrupt signals between sensors and the restraint control module, causing intermittent or constant warning lights. Restraint system control module related concerns have also been reported. In certain cases, internal faults or communication issues within the module may cause the warning light to illuminate even when no belt issue is present. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related behavior, sensor misalignment, or prior airbag or seat repairs affecting system calibration. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting seat belt buckles and wiring, checking connectors under the seats, scanning for restraint system fault codes, recalibrating sensors when applicable, and replacing faulty components once confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer seat belt warning light issues are resolved through sensor or wiring repairs rather than full system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year and restraint system design. In conclusion, the Ford Explorer seat belt warning light is usually linked to buckle sensors, seat occupancy detection, or wiring and control-related concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.